Danny has the light J.A. Calling all ladies and gentlemen. The six, the quenga and the four gen of them. The fancy, the shinging and the twinkle them. And don't be selfish, share it with a Christian friend.
Wagwan my delightful peeps, welcome back to another video from Dania's Delight JA. Today I am showing you how to make a healthy, delicious peanut butter oats and banana smoothie. This is a great idea for a healthy breakfast, a great source of energy to start the morning. And these are all the ingredients you will need. It's quite simple, quite easy. You'll need 1 cup of oats, 1 teaspoon of peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 whole ripe banana, a cup of almond milk, and all we'll do is just add everything to the blender. Okay, so I'm gonna start by adding the banana. I'll add the 1 whole banana first. Next, I'll add 1 cup of oats. Then I'll add an extra large tablespoon of peanut butter. Then I'll add 1 tablespoon of honey. And last but not least, I am adding my almond milk. And now all we do is blend. And there you have it, my banana, peanut butter and oats smoothie. Easy to prepare and a great way to get energy at the start of the day. Do remember to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bells, like my video, leave a comment about my smoothie, and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.